Hey, sixth grade. Today we're going to continue our unit on the interaction of Earth's spheres. Our topic for today is systems of the Earth, and your essential question says, what are Earth's five spheres? So let's get started. All right. Systems of the Earth. The five spheres, otherwise known as systems, of the Earth interact to produce the environments we are familiar with. So, when we're talking about the Earth's systems, it's really important to know that there are five specific spheres that we're referring to. So, we have the atmosphere, hydrosphere, geosphere, cryosphere, that's a new one for us, and biosphere. Okay, let's start with the atmosphere. The atmosphere includes all the gases surrounding the Earth. We often call the atmosphere air. So the word atmos actually means air. So that's easy to remember for us. The atmosphere consists of 5 layers and is responsible for Earth's weather. So this should be familiar to us. We talked about the 5 layers of the atmosphere earlier in the year. So when you think of the atmosphere, think of air. Okay, the hydrosphere. Hydro, that prefix hydro means water. So that should give you a big hint about what the hydrosphere is. The hydrosphere includes the oceans, rivers, lakes, groundwater, and water frozen in glaciers. 97% of water on Earth is found in the oceans. So this is necessary for life, right? So if we didn't have water on planet Earth, we wouldn't have life on Earth. So the hydrosphere is something unique to Earth. Okay, the geosphere, the prefix geo means Earth. The geosphere can also be known as the lithosphere. So the Earth's geosphere is the portion of the Earth that includes rocks and minerals. It starts at the ground and extends all the way down to Earth's core. So other planets, besides Earth, also have a geosphere. So the geosphere is not something that is particularly unique to Earth. Okay, the cryosphere. This is a new one. We haven't learned about the cryosphere at all this year yet. The cryosphere is the frozen water part of the Earth's system. It includes all water in solid form, including sea ice, lake ice, river ice, snow cover, glaciers, ice caps, ice sheets, and frozen ground. So there's an overlap between the cryosphere and the hydrosphere because we know that water is ice in liquid form, right? And ice is water in solid form. So the cryosphere and hydrosphere are not mutually exclusive. They can overlap because parts of the cryosphere are also parts of the hydrosphere. But not all parts of the hydrosphere are part of the cryosphere. Okay, last one is the biosphere. That prefix bio refers to life, refers to living things. The biosphere is made up of all the living things on Earth. It includes fish, birds, plants, animals, and for us, most importantly, people. So you and I, we are members of the biosphere. Now, we interact with the other spheres too. So just because we are part of the biosphere does not mean that we are limited to interacting just within the biosphere. So we'll talk about the interactions of Earth spheres next time. All right, that's it. Go to Google Classroom, answer your question of the day.